Master Massage, Galaxy, Professional Portable Table, Review Script 320 words. If you are after a premium, pro-grade portable table that actually feels like a step up, the Master Massage Galaxy package is one of those items you buy once and keep in rotation for years. This is a 30, wide, or other widths available, professional portable table with a thicker multi-layer foam system, including memory foam layers on many Galaxy models, Italy grade or high-end PU upholstery, and heavy-duty wooden construction. The Galaxy's build features quick-set leg adjusters, reinforced hinges, big top padding and often optional thermotop heating. Push it into the studio standard category rather than bargain territory. If your work demands durability and client comfort, you'll notice the difference immediately. The price reflects that difference. This model sits solidly in the premium range. Retailer manufacturer listings commonly show prices in the high hundreds, example about $569 to $699 depending on package and options. You are paying for more robust load ratings, thicker cushioning, better upholstery and pro-grade accessories, 4-pocket carrying case, memory face cushion, armrest shelf. That's the trade-off: more money up front, a longer usable life, and better client comfort. Ratings and dealer pages show lots of pro users and specialist retailers carrying the Galaxy range. Reviews frequently call out the comfort, solid engineering, and long-term reliability. If you are building a clinic or you are a traveling therapist who needs a premium portable table, the Galaxy is absolutely worth considering. And yes, we share buy links in description box.